Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Senator Elizabeth Warren sent a letter to Elon Musk on April 15th, warning that X money poses significant risks to consumers and financial stability. The Massachusetts Democrat cited concerns over X Money's 40 state money transmitter licenses and plans to offer deposit accounts with up to 6% APY, significantly above the current federal funds rate. Warren highlighted a potential partnership with Cross River Bank, which faced FDIC enforcement actions for unsafe practices. Bitcoin is currently trading at $74,322, testing resistance that has capped rallies for 2 months. Large holders have accumulated approximately 270,000 BTC over the past 30 days, marking the largest whale accumulation wave since 2013. Exchange reserves have dropped to 2.21 million BTC, the lowest level since December 2017. However, on-chain data shows investors are taking profits, with approximately $1.14 billion realized during Tuesday's brief move towards $76,000. Goldman Sachs filed with the SEC for a spot Bitcoin ETF using a covered call strategy, selling options on 40 to 100% of holdings to generate monthly income distributions. This follows Morgan Stanley's launch of MSBT on April 8th, which attracted $100 million in its first week. Meanwhile, BlackRock's IBIT continues dominating with over $64 billion in cumulative inflows. The State Bank of Pakistan formally rescinded cryptocurrency banking restrictions on April 14th, enabling licensed virtual asset service providers to access banking services. Pakistan processed $25 billion in crypto transactions during 2025 despite the ban, with approximately 27 million users ranking it third globally. Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire told Reuters that China could launch a yuan-backed stablecoin within 3 to 5 years. However, significant obstacles remain, particularly China's capital controls requiring RMB convertibility for success. The Sentinel Action Fund committed $8 million in advertising to support Republican Jon Husted in Ohio's 2026 Senate race. Fellowship PAC, a new crypto political action committee, raised $11 million initially and spent $3 million on advertising. Bitcoin developers are divided on addressing quantum computing threats. Bitcoin Improvement Proposal 361 would freeze coins that fail to migrate to quantum-resistant addresses within a 5-year window, potentially affecting 5.6 million dormant Bitcoin. Blockstream CEO Adam Back argues for voluntary upgrades instead. Governor Abigail Spanberger signed Virginia legislation on April 15th requiring digital assets in dormant accounts to be maintained in their original form for at least 1 year before any sale. The law takes effect July 1st and prevents forced liquidation that can trigger unexpected tax liabilities. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.